I have come to conclude it's better to screw this one into place first. Of course, the other way around. So we have more length of cable. Then you'll have to make sure that you can find the pin and place this white fan on the pin while you're pushing with the screwdriver. Now this brass colored part needs to fit into that pre-hole hole so you can get through to the fan. This will keep the pin in center. Now so far so good. Back together. Push the motor the rest of the way with the screwdriver. And here, see the pin now. I'll push with the screwdriver onto the fan to fasten it to the pin. It needs quite a push with the screwdriver directly on the center while holding the motor with the index finger. And then you will see the fan is working. It means the pump is working.